Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about design pattern in Java, factory method pattern. So a factory pattern or factory method pattern says that just define an interface or abstract class for creating an object, but let the subclasses decide which class to instantiate. In other words, subclasses are responsible to create the instance of the class. The factory method pattern is also known as a virtual constructor. Advantage of factory design pattern. Factory method pattern allows the subclasses to choose the type of objects to create. It promotes loose coupling by eliminating the need to bind application-specific classes into code. That means the code interacts solely with the resultant interface or abstract class, so that it will work with any classes that implement that interface or that extends that abstract class. Usage of factory design pattern. When a class doesn't know what subclasses will be required to create. When a class wants that its subclass will specify the objects to be created, and the parent classes choose the creation of objects to its subclasses. UML for factory method pattern. We are going to create a plan abstract class and concrete class that extends a plan abstract class. A factory class getPlan factory is defined as next step. Generate build class will use getPlan factory to get a plan object. It will pass information domestic plan, commercial plan, institutional plan to getPlan factory to get a type of object it needs. Create a plan abstract class. Create the concrete class that extends the plan abstract class. Create a getPlan factory to generate object of concrete class based on given information. Step 4. Generate build by using getPlan factory to get the object of concrete class by passing an information such as type of plan, domestic plan, commercial plan, or institutional plan. So this was a brief discussion on factory method pattern, design pattern in Java. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.